Mark Zuckerberg just bet your entire future on something that might not even work, and Wall Street is applauding him for it. Here's why this is either the smartest move in tech history or the beginning of Meta's collapse. Meta just announced they're spending hundreds of billions on AI, not millions, not a few billion, hundreds of billions. For context, that's more than the GDP of entire countries. And here's the kicker, the stock jumped 11% when he announced it. Investors are rewarding him for this gamble. But before we get to why, you need to understand the dirty secret behind where this money comes from. Here's what Meta isn't telling you. This entire AI spending spree is funded by one thing, your attention. Meta's ad business just posted better than expected revenue. Translation: every time you scroll, you're funding Zuckerberg's AI empire. The dirty truth: Meta is taking profits from spying on you to build AI that will spy on you better. The irony: the same ads you hate are paying for the AI that will serve you more ads you'll hate. No company in history has ever made a bet this big on something this uncertain. Meta is spending more on AI infrastructure than most countries spend on defense. They're building data centers the size of small cities. And here's the harsh reality: nobody knows if this will even work. OpenAI is burning through cash. Google's AI is losing money. Microsoft's Copilot isn't profitable yet. What does Zuckerberg know that everyone else doesn't? Here's the truth: Wall Street doesn't want you to know. Zuckerberg isn't betting on AI because he wants to. He's betting on AI because he has to. Remember the metaverse? 36 billion burned. Total failure. TikTok is eating Meta's lunch with Gen Z. The harsh reality: this isn't innovation, this is survival. If Meta doesn't dominate AI, they become the next MySpace. So here's the billion-dollar question. Is this brilliant, or is this the beginning of the end? The genius case. Meta has 3 billion users, the perfect testing ground. Their ad business prints money. If they win AI, they control the next 20 years of the internet. The suicide case. Hundreds of billions with no guarantee of ROI. They're already behind. The metaverse flopped. What if AI is Metaverse 2.0? Here's what nobody's talking about. This isn't just about Meta. Every tech company is now in an AI arms race they can't afford to lose. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, they're all spending like this. And here's the dirty final secret. One of them is going to be catastrophically wrong. In 5 years, one of these companies will be hailed as visionary, and the others will be case studies in business school about what not to do. The scary part? We won't know which is which until it's too late. Zuckerberg just bet the farm. The question is, did he bet on the right crop? What do you think? Is Zuckerberg a genius or insane? Drop a comment.